I need a color-coded wiring diagram for my Chronotherm IV Plus. I disconnected the wall unit and may have mixed up some of the wires. James.
Did you double-check the thermostat? And what about the unit's filters?
I need a color-coded wiring diagram for my Chronotherm IV Plus. I disconnected the wall unit and may have mixed up some of the wires. James.
Do you plan on doing the work yourself?
Yes.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
No.
Hello. First, you should know that the person who installed that thermostat originally chose whatever wire colors he happened to have on his truck at the time. However, you can follow those wires back into the furnace/air handler and take a photo of where those thermostat wires connect on the printed circuit board, and I can tell you how to do the Chronotherm IV Plus. Opening statements. Important note about rating my work: I am a retired mechanical engineer and HVAC/electrical/refrigeration and boiler contractor, with 56 years in this business. The last 20 of those years consulting for major firms nationally. All I ask is please respect me and my input by selecting the rating link at the top of your page. That is the only way I am credited through the site. Rating does not affect your charges nor ability to refund if not satisfied. If you need to be coached through a full diagnosis/repair, and wiring etc. for up to 2 days, and wish to be trained to use test instruments. That goes well beyond just a simple answer, of course, and goes beyond what most other experts here offer. Rate my simple answer so far positively. And I will deliver that training and coaching to you all on the same dime, so to speak. Attach a close-up photo of the wiring diagram glued to the inside of the blower access door, and I will mark it up with troubleshooting instructions, then follow up with step-by-step training and coaching until you have a solution. Photo must be exceedingly well focused. Use the Add Files link next to your Send button to get the photo to me. Phone call offers: if you wish to accept the company's $25 phone call offer, if indeed they send you one, this will go a lot faster, but it is 100% optional. Or we can continue here in this dialog box at no additional charge.
I need to know where to hook up the R, red, wire in the E, blocks, wire to the new nest wall unit. I have pictures attached of my furnace and the nest wall unit. Did you receive my pictures? Thanks, James.
Yes, I got your pictures. I am working on it now. Wire color terminal on nest: red RC, white W1, black O/E, yellow Y1, green G, blue O, brown C, orange is a spare wire. Tape the end and poke the end back into the wall, we may need it later. If everything works, but you get cooling instead of heat and vice versa, go into the nest programming and change the OB setting from 1 to 0, or if it's set on 0, change it to 1.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.